The lighting kit is really easy to install. First, lay out all the parts on a table. One gas control panel, one knob socket, one sensor board, one fan control panel, one cable. Please disconnect the power at the main switch before starting. Firstly, pull the gas control panel upwards and off. The fan control panel stays where it is. Then run a finger carefully beneath the edge of the cover and lift it off the heater. Disconnect the cable from the fan control panel. Using your thumb and finger, unlock the control panel catch in the cover and push the control panel through the cover at the same time. Do the same with the fan control panel and remove it from the cover. Then take the sensor board, position it on the pins in the middle of the cover and press gently until it clicks into place. Take the knob socket, insert it through the cover and click it into place. Make sure it is facing the right way. The procedure for the fan control panel is the same. Now connect the cable to the sensor board. And use the clamp to fasten the cable. The procedure for the other cable is the same. Make sure all the locking pins are free and the cable is not caught in any of them. Connect the cable to the free slot on the fan control panel. Turn the cover and place it on the heater. Make sure there are no cables caught anywhere. Press the cover down firmly all round. Make sure the control panel rod is centered in the knob socket. Now position the gas control panel, making sure the marking is aligned to 0. Your lighting is now ready for operation. Gently touching the top cover turns the lighting on. The control panels can now be easily operated and the optimal settings chosen in the dark.